So why exactly did the stock market go up today? What's going on, team? It's Ricky here with TechBud Solutions. I wanted to provide you guys with a quick overall update. TQQQ is up over 14% on the day, including extended hours, which means that the NASDAQ market is up a whopping 4.75%. including after market hours. This insane rally was caught in our live stream. If you guys didn't watch it, it was a free live stream and it actually caught the entire market's reaction for the Federal Reserve, or at least the start of it, right? So what exactly caused this? Again, today was the speech from Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell is the head of the Federal Reserve. For those that are unaware, the Federal Reserve has been raising interest rates 0.75% almost every single month. And the concern is for the month of December, are they going to be just as aggressive, raising interest rates 0.75%, or less aggressive, maybe 0.5 or maybe 0.25? And he made it very clear. He expects that in the month, as soon as the month of December, that we shouldn't take it out of the possibilities that the Federal Reserve can be less aggressive with the next interest rate hike, which means that 0.5% is on the table, which is what the market wanted, which is exactly why the market reacted the way that it did. The second thing that we need to talk about is expectation for how long these interest rate hikes can last. Another concern that the market had is, well, how much longer are they going to continue to raise interest rates? Is December going to be the last month? Is January? Who knows, right? And the expectation that he said is, well, the Federal Reserve is nowhere close to where they want to be with that 2% inflation rate with its soft landing. They're still going to try to be hawkish in the sense that they still have a lot of interest rate hikes to come. So again, it's not over. It's just simply going to be less aggressive. He didn't give an exact number, but he just said that, again, they definitely are not where they want to be. So again, it's not that that was a good or a bad thing. It wasn't a bad thing, but it definitely wasn't a good thing because it didn't really give us any kind of hindsight on how much longer this can go for. The third thing that I quickly want to talk about is what could have been a further positive catalyst for this. Two things. The first thing is today was the last trading day of the month. I call this headline momentum. And it's a very common thing where a bunch of headlines set expectations of where they expect the month to end. Either it can be a lot of selling pressure, so it can end below expected, or a lot of buying pressure, so it could end strong and higher than expected. And as you can see, based off of what we experienced today, it was higher than expected. And a lot of these major indexes ended month over month in the green, right? Especially the Dow Jones. This is the last thing that I want to talk about. Did you know that the Dow Jones today from previous lows or 52-week lows is now up 20%? So the Dow Jones is now or has entered a new bull market, right? When the market drops from all-time highs, and it drops 20%, that is considered a recession or when it enters a bear market. But when it hits its bottom and then it gaps up 20% from that, it has now entered its bull market. It's a very technical way of trading, but that's exactly what just happened today. The Dow market is now out of a bear market and has entered a new bull market. I thought that that would be some exciting news and having a better understanding of why. Why did the market go up today? And I think that's always the most important part. You should never be told what to do as a trader or as an investor. You should take time, learn about what just happened, and then make the best investment or trade decision based off of what you know. Just because I see value in something does not mean that you need to. Just because you see value in something does not mean that I need to. And again, this is the way that I think it's best to make the best investment and trade decisions, is to simply understand why people are doing what they do. If you ever have any questions about how to get started in the stock market and you want someone to assist you along the way, you can shoot me a direct free message via Discord, and that's that first link in the description. If you're part of my Learn Plan Profit Group, you know exactly how much it was that I was up today. I'm very grateful for how today played out, and I'm very excited for the challenges that are set to come in the month of December. I do trade live every single day, and I share my thought process on current market conditions live in real time. This is private, it is not for free, but if you want to learn more about what it's like to join my private group and watch me trade live every single day, then I would encourage you to take 2 minutes, click the second link down in the description, learn more about our Learn, Plan, Profit group, and see if it's a good fit for you. If you have any questions beyond that, shoot me a direct message via Instagram, and that's that third link in the description. I'm verified on Instagram. That is my only Instagram account. Every other Instagram account is fake. I will never message you first. The only service that I offer is my Learn, Plan, Profit group, and it's to watch me trade live every single day. I can promise you everything else is not real. I appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.